All right, we got Josh's Jeep in. We did some stuff today. Made it run again. How quiet is that? So we put a muffler on it today. It needs a tailpipe, but at least it's got a muffler on it now. We found a broken cooling fan. The fan was all busted, so we had one upstairs. So it's got a new cooling fan in it now. And we replaced the O2 sensor. And what else did we do? So it was running lean. It gave us a lean burn code, and it said that it was in the O2 circuit. But then when I started digging and doing some research, they said that it was actually not the O2 sensor, that it was from a lean condition. So I went ahead and started pulling spark plugs, and I kind of thought maybe one of the injectors was plugged up and fouled. So I wanted to see if it was isolated to a single cylinder, and it was kind of lean all the way across the whole bank. So I checked the fuel pressure, and I've got fuel pressure the way it's supposed to be. It's at 30, 31 with the regulator plugged in, and 39 with the regulator unplugged. So it's not the fuel pump, it's not the fuel pressure regulator, it's not one specific injector, so it's across the board. We went ahead and checked the map sensor. Map sensor looks good. So then at that point we said, well, let's go ahead and just reset the computer, and we'll dig out our new O2 sensor, and we'll throw a new O2 sensor in it, and put some new fuel in it and go for a drive. And now she's pretty happy, actually. So now she's rocking lug nuts' muffler and lug nuts' O2 sensor, and we're gonna do new terminals here next time and get a battery tie down put on it, and then do plugs, wires, cap, rotor. And what else, Joshy? Was that it? Josh and Grandma hate this door, so we'll have to do something about it.
I hate the door.
He hates the door. He wants a properly colored red door. So we'll work on that. Other than that, she's pretty spiffy. I want to put some new headlights and new fog lights in it. That way Grandma can see. And oh, what else did we do? We found a set of chains for it. So now it's got a set of snow chains back here in case we run into snow. Cause
clip for the
what?
Oh.
So yeah, ready to rock. I think I'm gonna drive her. I might even get a hold of Cody and see if he's going night wheeling. Catch you later, guys. There's a little walk around Josh's Jeep. We got one running.